Top focus at 1. Aam Aadmi Party leader Yogendra Yadav has launched a scathing attack on BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. At a rally in Mewat, Yadav said that if Modi becomes a prime minister, this country will be in grave danger. There have been angry reactions coming from the BJP to Yadav's comment. Let's first listen into that statement made by Yogendra Yadav.
नरेंद्र मोदी को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने का मतलब होगा इस देश में फिरका परस्ती दोबारा से शुरू होगी। नरेंद्र मोदी को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने का मतलब होगा इस देश में एक अलग किस्म की राजनीति शुरू होगी। और ये खतरा सिर्फ एक कौम के लिए नहीं है। अगर किसी ने कभी कोशिश की कि यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक की ठेकेदारी चलेगी तो इस मुल्क में आग लग जाएगी, ये मुल्क खत्म हो जाएगा।
All right, let's get in a word from our correspondent Ankit Tyagi, who's joining us on the phone line. Ankit, of late the Aam Aadmi Party has been targeting Narendra Modi. First it was Arvind Kejriwal who challenged Narendra Modi on his home turf, and now it's Yogendra Yadav who's saying that if Narendra Modi manages to become the Prime Minister of the country, the safety and security of the entire population will be in grave danger.
Well, this is constant with the campaign of the Aam Aadmi Party now, leading to the Lok Sabha elections. They believe that Narendra Modi is their target. They're discounting the Congress completely out of the race, and that is why you see these increasing attacks on the BJP's prime ministerial candidate. But the problem here is that many in the party also think that the party is falling into the same trap as many other political parties of only attacking Narendra Modi, trying to portray him in a certain picture. Initially, when I had a word with the senior leadership, they said that to counter Narendra Modi, they will have to puncture his development model and they will have to talk about arguments that Narendra Modi speaks about. This is what Arvind Kejriwal line of attack on Narendra Modi has been. But Yogendra Yadav almost talking in the language of the other opponents of Narendra Modi. He also very interestingly said there that if Narendra Modi becomes the Prime Minister, it is not a danger to a particular community. Of course, we know how all the opposition parties to the BJP want the minority community to galvanize with them, so that they can get that vote. But yes, Simi, it is constant in the line of attack to the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, and Yogendra Yadav towing that line using